Hey everybody, it's Carol. Oh, what to do with the hair. The hair. Always a problem. Spray it, hairspray, color spray, tease it, straighten it, put clips in it, push it back, make fake bangs. I don't know what to do with it. Cover it with a hat. Maybe that's better. I don't know what to do. See, you got a little... Now, when it looks too dark, I take this Color Wow in blonde. I bought this the other day, and then I could make highlights. But today I wanted to show you a product that I got, and I'm very thrilled over it. It's called Grandma's Secret Spot Remover. I bought this a few weeks ago, and I've been using it, and it's been working on my clothes. That is why I'm sharing it with you. Well, I'm going to show you a clip of how it removed the sauce from my shorts. It was about an hour or so later when I got home. I put it on the shorts. I rubbed it in. And I let it dry for 10 minutes, and then I rinsed it. All gone. I'm going to show you a clip. Let's roll the clip. It's gone. Yay! Now, I'm going to tell you why I was double excited. I was double excited because I tried it on my beauty sponges. My beauty sponges. It got out everything. I didn't even have to wait. As I was doing it, the spot was clearing up. It was just going away as I was doing it. This was already cleaned, and it still has spots. I just put Grandma's Secret Spot Remover on the sponge. And it looks like it's lifting. I have to put some over here. So, this is a little quickie video, but I wanted to tell you about this product. I really like it. I don't know about the spray. Now, I read the spray of Grandma's Secret Spot Remover doesn't work as well as this. They said it's a different formula. So, I didn't buy the spray. I bought this because the first one I got was online at TJ Maxx in the quick items aisle, and I just bought it. And I loved it, and then I ordered 3 more on Amazon, and I was searching around, and I saw the spray. They have it in a spray, and I said, oh, that looks good, but the reviews weren't as good, so I will try it eventually, but this is the one that I am condoning, and also it works on the beauty sponges or the triangles the compacts with the triangles that you put your makeup on with, that I swear by, that are like 10 or 15 for like $9. I'll put those links down below for you too. So just a quickie, and I will see you in another video. I'm so glad you came by today. I hope you have a beautiful day, a beautiful week, and remember, I love you.